Hey guys, in this video we're just going to take a look to see what's happening down at the beach today here in Orange Beach. Thank you for watching the videos and thank you for subscribing. Beautiful day here in Orange Beach. The breeze is a little cooler today. Got a little fall feel to it. It's definitely going to warm back up, but feels really nice right now. Construction's still going on here at Phoenix South Point. Got the big crane up there. Let's take a look down the beach. It is August the 27th, 2025. A little cooler down here this morning. A little light breeze coming off the Gulf. It's going to warm back up, but it feels wonderful right now. Out metal detecting early this morning. Other than the construction noise you can hear in the background, nice and peaceful. And the construction noise isn't as loud as it's showing up on this video, so not as bad as it sounds. Four Seasons Pier there. One of the reasons we have to have so many rules down here is trash and glass in the dunes. Looks to be the Down Under Dolphin Tour boat coming around the Four Seasons Pier there. Ike's Beach Chair. Sun's starting to peek through the clouds now. That's warming it up a little bit now. Yellow flags flying this morning. For those who don't know the reasoning behind the rule of staying out of the dunes, is because the sea oats and other vegetation that grow here in the dunes, one, it's a protected environment for some endangered species such as the beach mouse, but a major concern is the roots from this vegetation help hold these dunes in place during a storm or storm surge, which helps protect the properties and the people that live here in Orange Beach and anywhere on the coastal community. But that's the reason they don't want you walking in the dunes. It could damage the root system to this vegetation or kill the plants. Here come the lifeguards. They appear to be doing some kind of training this morning. Well, maybe just a football game. Still training and exercise though, I guess. And that's just a quick little look here at the beach, Orange Beach, on this August the 27th, Wednesday. The sun's came out now, burning off that cool breeze. Still beautiful day, still pleasant. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing.